Pag sinabi mong babaero ka, bad na yung dating. Hindi. Meaning nun, babaero ka kasi ang lakas ng dating mo, men. Ganun yun. Pero itong para sa inyo, ito yung pinakababaero ng 20.
Oh my, baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Maybe I can break you down. There's so many ways to love you. Got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love. I found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my gosh.